Now we are going to be talking about dividing fractions. Do not freak out. If you can multiply fractions, you can divide. We're going to keep it very, very simple. First, let's look at this equation. What this essentially is saying is I have 1 pi divided into thirds. So it would look like this picture. I've got 1 pi divided into thirds. When I actually divide, my second number is always the number that I'm going to flip. I'll show you what I mean. First, let's look at the whole number. Well, what does 1 mean? It means 1 over 1. And I said the second number, you always flip. So instead of being 1/3, it now turns into 3 over 1. So you see I took my whole number. It basically means 1 over 1 because 1 over 1 means whole. And then my second number I flipped. 3 over 1. That's it. Now all I have to do is multiply. 3 over 1. And 3 over 1 is the same as saying 3. That's it. That's the answer. So look at this very carefully. And I have right here, always flip the second number. First number, second number. Let's look at another problem, shall we? 1/5 divided by 2. Now, which one's my second number? Is it this one or this one? I'm hoping you're saying this one. So that should be 1/5 stays the same. And then I multiply because I flipped it. I'm multiplying. So instead of saying 2 over 1, I'm going to do 1 over 2. Because remember when we multiplied, we always said 2 over 1? Well, we're flipping it. Now it's 1 over 2, which equals 1/10. What that means is that I have 5 pieces. So here's 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided into 2. Oops, sorry. Not the best drawing right here. And I'm essentially looking at this one piece right here. 1/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm looking at 1 out of 10. Let me explain that to you one more time because I'm hearing questions. Let me see if I can erase this with one hand. Remember when we were multiplying and we did something like 2 times 3/4, and that meant 2 over 1. Now when you're dividing, let me flip this around again. If I had 3/4 times 2, that essentially meant 2 over 1. But now that I'm dividing, now it means 1 over 2. Okay? So when I'm saying flip it, that's what I mean.